What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a look on HBAR. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin, what are the exact setups that I'm currently watching here, and what price I think that this coin is gonna hit in this bull market, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 30-minute chart. Here I am watching several important things. The first important thing is this triangle. Then we are having here these bearish order blocks, which are between levels 0.3516 and 0.3394. And then the second bearish order block, which is between levels 0.3707 and 0.3598. And then we have here this bullish order block, which is between levels 0.2845 and 0.279. Right now, I am watching here several opportunities to open here a trading positions. First, a long position will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of this triangle. This setup is kinda risky because stop loss in this case you just need to place under this low, because if we are gonna break the support of this triangle and there will be a resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than it's necessary. But the stop loss here is only 3.7%, which is in my opinion not that big stop loss. But the last take profit target in this case you can place under $0.5 mark, which will give you itself risk reward ratio around 13.61. Of course, in this case, you need to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you need to take in this first bearish order block, second bearish order block, under this current high, for example, 0.44, and then you can save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be more like 8, 9, something like that, which is still really good setup. Second trade that you can open here will be valid in case of a breakout and then support confirmation of both of these resistances. Then the exact trade can look like this. So entry will be above this bearish order block after a support confirmation, and stop loss in this case you need to place under this area. You can see that the potential stop loss in, let's say, net loss is kinda same with this previous setup, but in my opinion this trade is much safer because we will be already like above these all important resistances. Last take profit target in this case you can keep under that $0.5 mark, which will be next important psychological resistance. This trade will give you risk reward ratio 9.1 itself. So if you will take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits, for example, like under this high, again under 0.4, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target, the risk reward ratio will be like 5.6, which is in my opinion a great risk reward ratio. But if you want, you can of course place it on the higher level, so you can place it under like 0.6, or if you want to have your really amazing risk reward ratio, you can speculate on like 0.7, 8, 9, maybe $1 mark, which will give you risk reward ratio up to 45. Me personally, in this case, I will be speculating for a level slightly above that $0.5 mark, because this is, like as I said, really important psychological resistance, so there will be many stop losses, and if we are gonna grab the liquidity above, then the market can reverse back down. So this is the setup that I would take, which will be potential risk reward ratio like 10.41, but as I said, the risk reward ratio, if you will take multiple take profit targets, will slightly decrease. And the last trading scenario before I will get to the price prediction that I have for this coin will be valid in case of a breakdown, then resistance confirmation, and then a retest of this bullish order block. In this case, I am waiting here for a liquidity grab under like these two previous lows. So if we are gonna take a liquidity under and then a support confirmation, I will be thinking about a potential long trade. Entry will be somewhere in this bullish order block, and stop loss I want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out. Of course, if the low will be, for example, really huge, then this setup is invalid, but in my opinion the stop loss should be, let's say, under 5% of a net market, maybe 6, something like that. Last take profit target in this case you can again place slightly above the $0.5 mark. which will give you potential profit around 80% of a net market and potential risk reward ratio like 16.73. Again, in this case, you want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you want to take like under this previous lows, then this bearish order block, this bearish order block, this previous high 0.44, and then you will save some back to a last take profit target. So in the end, the risk reward ratio will be like 11, 10, 10.5, something like that, which is still absolutely amazing setup. So these are the main setups that I'm currently watching on this coin. And now let's get to the exact price prediction. And let's now take a look on a weekly time frame. Here we are testing this massive bearish order block, which is between level 0.478 and 0.3840 approximately. Because this is such an important resistance, it's like understandable that we are having problems with breaking this level. So right now, opening here a long trade in the long time perspective is, in my opinion, not the best idea. So the only setups that I'm currently thinking of are the setups that I showed you on that lower time frames. But if you want to open here some potential long trades, you should definitely wait for a support confirmation in this bearish order block. Then the trade can look, for example, like this. So stop loss, you need to place like under this bearish order block. Entry will be somewhere in this bearish order block after a support confirmation. And the last take profit target, well, I would place it slightly under that $1 mark, because in my opinion, there is actually pretty high probability that in the current bull market, we are gonna achieve this $1 mark, which will be from the current level still pump around like 200% of a net market, which is kinda huge. Definitely let me know in the comments what is the exact price that you think HBAR is gonna hit in this bull market. If you, for example, think it will be like $2, $3, something like that. Of course, we can go much higher than the $1 mark, but I am always trying to be realistic with my take profit targets and with the potential levels that I'm saying in my YouTube videos. So yeah, I think, as I said, there is pretty high probability that we are gonna achieve the $1 mark, and everything above is a good bonus. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. If you want to copy all of my trades, definitely don't forget to join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing it every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So yeah, this will be all from me for today, and I will see you in my next video. See ya.